Okay, so if you prefer your own pre-made protein shake with your Proffee, here's what we recommend. You're gonna fill your cup, well, you're gonna kind of fill it with ice. And here I have 8 ounces of LifeBoost dark roast cold brew. We're gonna pour it in. And then we top it off with our liquid protein shake. Now, this is what I prefer. It's plant-based, it's vegan, it's the own non-dairy option, but you can use whatever protein shake that you want. Pour it in. Stir it up. And now you're ready to Proffee. Oh, it's really good.